HubSpot Connector recreates the experience of your CRM inside Jira and Confluence. HubSpot Connector allows you to create and browse your HubSpot views without leaving your Atlassian environment. HubSpot views are fully customizable. Add, remove, or reorder the columns to highlight significant data in your view. There are several filtering options available. To refine the set of results, you can apply several filters by creating a filter group. If you want to expand the set of results instead, you can add more filter groups. Moreover, with custom lists, you can add single items to your HubSpot views independently of the existing filters. With the Confluence version of HubSpot Connector, you'll be able to embed your HubSpot views in Confluence pages and adjust their appearance and interface to your needs. Once published, HubSpot views keep their interactive features like searching single items from the set. With the Jira version of HubSpot Connector, you can attach items from your HubSpot to Jira issues. This enables you to easily share information regarding contacts, companies, and deals relevant to specific Jira issues with the rest of your team. Furthermore, HubSpot items will be automatically attached to related Jira service management issues, saving your team time and effort.